But the faster you pull it, the cooler it stays on the outside. And the faster you can get it small. The faster you can get it small, the faster you can get the temperature homogeneous through the whole thing, and then it can move as a unit rather than moving as a stiff recalcitrant core on the inside, and then on the outside it's got all this body going for it. Isn't that cool?
Wow.
Yeah.
I really want to make buckwheat noodles in my retirement. I do. I love buckwheat noodles.
But there's something about you that's drawn to me.
And so this is, this is something everybody in here gets worked, a minimum, the least I've worked with anybody is 7 months before they can actually touch a product, thing. And
So how do you work with them if they don't touch it?
well, if you see how straight the line is, on there, it's got to be compass straight, going straight up the middle, and everything has got to. And on the ends there, I do have a lot of scrap just because that's no good.
Yeah.
That's, and when you see a lot of other people's work, they don't buy enough to be that neat. And so, yeah, see, I do tremendous amounts of, not yet, no. But you were going to ask me how I train them?
Yes. How do you train them?
Well, the world famous hamburger method. Your hair looks great today, this is screwed up, and you got here on time. That always
Called a
helps.
shit sandwich.
Yeah.
So he's trainer.
That always helps, you know. But